Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to fade in and fade out audio in Shotcut. Okay, so first we need to do is select our track with audio or video with audio. After that we need to go to filter settings and select here add a filter. Then we need to type here fade, and we have here two audio fade settings. First settings are fade in audio and the second is fade out audio. So I select first fade in audio, and here we can change duration of our effect. For example, I will type here 2 and I press enter. Now I click add a filter and I type fade out and I select here fade out audio, and I will change duration to the same here, so I type here 2 and I press enter. Of course you can check this effect here, so let's play the video and check how this audio works now. So I click play button. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In my opinion, this effect is really great. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. Remember to check links in description. And that's all for today. Bye.